Hello guys, this will be my biggest time loop which you ever see. This was from middle of December and I've gained around 4,200 in profit with just in the day with 135 in profit and cracked my 20k mark. I'm exactly at 20k 500 and that's pretty insane if you look at the time horizon that I had. You can see how regularly habits and transferring even small amounts could maybe change your life and your whole portfolio and network. So with this, I will invest 650 into my broker, wait 3 days, and you will see the biggest time loop that I have. This is what is going on right now. I was on vacation and not able to record everything, but this is the result which you could see even with a small portfolio. I just want to make the point, even small amounts count. I'm at 21,675 and I just transferred a little bit of money. That means I'm at an all-time high. I've made an unrealized profit of almost 4,800 and just in the day I made 137 in profit. And for sure I want to show you what I've done in the meantime. I always order my portfolio and my positions after the market value, and the first stock that I bought was Amazon. If you look at the 5-year period, it just went up and I could imagine it could grow even more. For that reason I will grow this position with my next salary and I've bought around 100 USD in Amazon. So I've got an average price of 208 and currently it is at 236 USD. My whole market value is around $3,000 inside of Amazon. The next stock that I bought is currently one position which is not going that well, but I still think in decades. I don't care if a stock is not going well for 1 year or 2 years, but I know I buy highly profitable stocks. If you look at the 5-year period, this is an app which I use on my own on a regular basis. I have a pretty high streak and I can see how they earn a lot of money. Nobody of us can predict the future and know exactly what will happen. Otherwise we will all go all in into one stock. But here it will rebound again to their all-time high at around 530 USD per stock. And I have an average price of 223. I just wanted to have a little bit over 1 share in it. It is not a huge position that I have, but it is a position which I wanted to be a part of. Because if it goes back to around 500 per stock, it is something great. And it could happen in the next couple of years. So if we go back to my positions, you see my biggest position that I have is the S&P 500 VOO. And I bought around 600 USD in it. That results in an average price of 567 USD. And it's pretty insane. This is my safest investment. And this is the investment which I want to grow around 100k. And all the other stuff that I'm doing, like buying crypto and just the biggest player, is a vehicle in which I try to leverage to get my gains out and put it into my VOO ETF. Because living off a salary and invest small amounts counts, but I'm still in the early phase. That means I can risk a little bit more. Don't forget, you have the opportunity costs which you could lose. Because if crypto is not going well, how should I take out my profits and invest it into my VOO ETF? But I think positive. As long as we have Donald Trump as a president, I don't see a problem in it. And until 2029, I think there will be a pretty huge chance that we all get a little bit of money. I just wanted to say thank you all. I don't know what will happen this year, but it started very well. I can't complain. I'm not an expert, but I learn while I'm doing that. Let's see what the future will bring like. And if I crack this year my 30k mark and grow maybe even more. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.